Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all know that we are practicing sample papers. So today we are going to practice sample paper, remaining questions of sample paper 4. So let us begin. We have discussed all questions of sample paper 4. So let us begin today's sample paper 5. Okay. Sample paper 5 we are going to practice today. Okay. So we are discussing solved question answers. Through solved question answers we are revising the chapters as well as learning how to write answers. Okay, let us continue. Question number 1. Is bread making that is second number today. Earlier I have written third number, beta. It is wrong. Is bread making is not bread making. Is bread an important part part of Goan life Is bread an important part of Goan life? So as we have read in the chapter, bread making still very important in Goa. It is not famous in the same way as earlier they were, but they are still used on the special occasions. Okay, so we have read in the chapter bowl are still famous and engagements are meaningless without bowl. So all these things we have gone through the chapter. Before answering, dear students, you must once again recall the story of the whole chapter. Okay, what is written in the chapter, then using a proper grammatical structure, your grammatical structure of your sentence must be correct. Okay, don't make grammatical mistakes as you people have been making. Okay, answer to the question. So bread making is still very popular in Goa. Still we can see the mixtures the molders and those who bake the loaves, and those who bake the loaves. Most of their festivals, most of their festivals and other occasions and other occasions, occasions. Oh, it was correct earlier. Sorry, the students. Occasions are meaningless without the loaves of bread. Are meaningless without the loaves of bread. I am writing here, without the loaves of bread. Okay, dear students. So is bread an important part of Goan life? So yes, in the beginning you can write here, yes. Yes, bread making is still very popular in Goa. Still we can see the question is in present. So we are supposed to answer in present. Okay. Okay, the students. So yes, bread making is still very popular in Goa. Still we can see the mixers, the molders and those who bake the loaves. Most of their festivals are and other occasions are meaningless without the loaves of bread. Okay, I am going to rub it now. Next question. Sorry. Kisa goat में again goes from house to house to house after she speaks with the Buddha. After she speaks with the Buddha. What does she ask for what does she ask for the second time? Does she get it? Why not? Does she get it? Why not? Okay. So Kisa Godmi again goes from house to house after she speaks with the Buddha, what does she ask for the second time? Does she get it? Why not? So as we all know in the story, first time she was going house to house carrying carrying her dead child for medicine. Then someone suggested her to go to Shakyamuni Buddha. So when she went to Buddha, so Buddha asked her to bring mustard from a house where no one has died till date. So second time she again went house to house in order for bringing mustard seeds. We all know. So this question is in simple present tense. So same way we are supposed to answer in simple present tense. So take the screenshot of the question, or you can pause the video and write down. Now I am going to rub the question. After seeing the Buddha, Kisa Gotami visits different houses. Kisa Gotami visits different houses. She asked for mustard seed. She asked for mustard seeds. Here you can also write she asks for mustard seeds. Okay, but she fails to receive. But she fails to receive it as no family is found. It as no family is found without some dead person earlier. Without some dead person earlier. Okay. So here the students, I have written the answer which is given in sample paper, but let us check what is missing in this answer. Yes, you know, that is why we are discussing the solved question answer. First go through the answer which is given in the book. Then look at the answer. Can you make it more creative? Yes. If you can make it more creative, then you will be able to write a creative answer in your board examination. So that is why we are practicing the solved questions. What is missing here, which must be mentioned here? After seeing the Buddha, Kisa Gotami visit different houses to bring, here we can add these students, after houses, to bring mustard seeds where no one has died. Okay. Then Kisargotmi visits different houses. She asks for the mustard, but she fails to receive as no family is found without some dead person earlier. Okay. So you can also mention when she reached Buddha, then Buddha asked her to bring mustard seed from the house where no one has died. Okay, you can also add. So after going through these answers, analyze the answers and mix your own opinion, what you have learned in the chapter. On the basis of that, mix your own words and make it more creative. Only then you will be able to score better in your board examination, and for that purpose we have been discussing solved question answers. Okay, I am going to rub it. I hope you have written. Next question. What experiments and projects does a bride undertake? Does a bride undertake? What experiment and project does a bride undertake? So a bride had done the real experiment that time. He also set up his model in county science fair. He won the prize. So let us write the answer which is given in the book. Later we will discuss what more we can add. A bride decides. The question is in present, simple present. So you are supposed to write your answer in simple present. Okay. A bride decides to do a real experiment. Decides to do a real experiment. The bride decides to do a real experiment. He tried to find the cause of viral disease. He tries to find the cause of viral disease. Viral disease that kills all caterpillars. That kills all caterpillars every few years. Every few years. Then he begins his research. Then he begins. So the question is in simple present tense. So that is why we are writing the answer in simple present tense. Okay. He begins his real research into discovery of an unknown insect monarch, into discovery of an unknown insect monarch, unknown insect. Okay, dear students, so if Bright decides to do a real experiment, he tries to find the cause of viral disease that kills all caterpillars every few years. So then he begins his real research into discovery of an unknown insect monarch. Okay, so this answer is complete. We are not supposed to add anything, and it is supposed to be written in 30 to 40 words. So dear students, it is very important to go through the text once again, read out all the chapters once again, so that you can write your answers correctly and in a creative way. And we are also going through the question and solve question answers, which will help you to revise the chapter as well as you will be able to write your answers correctly. So now let me rub it and write down the next question. Next, what did the Loisel do to replace the Loisels do to replace the necklace? So we all know what they did to replace the necklace. They are considering the necklace real, which Magenta borrowed from Mrs. Her friend Mrs. Forrester, I think it is. Okay, and then in order to when she lost the necklace, so in order to return her necklace, she had to buy a new necklace, and this destroyed Matilda's whole life. Not only Matilda's, Loisel's whole life. Okay, so let us write this answer. Loisels had to work hard. Loisels had to work hard to return the lost necklace. To return lost necklace. They borrowed money and even used the money. They borrowed the money and even used the money. They borrowed money, not the money. Before material noun, we are not supposed to write the. It is written in special cases. Okay. When we talk about any specific money, which we are going to write now. Borrowed money and even used the money. Here we are talking about specific money. And even used the money left by Mr. Loisel's father. Left by Mr. Loisel's father. The necklace was bought for. The necklace was bought for. The necklace was bought for 36,000 francs. And back to Mrs. Forestier. And back to Mrs. Forestier. Okay. So dear students, we as we have seen in the chapter that Loisels had to work hard to return the lost necklace. They borrowed money and even used the money left by Mr. Loisel's father. The necklace was bought for 36,000 francs and back to Mrs. Forestier. So first of all, dear students, we think about the chapter, the lesson from which the question has been taken and what is the story inside it. If it is long, then you can mention all the things as Matilda borrowed a necklace from Forestier, she went to the ball and she lost. Each and everything we are supposed to mention if it is a long answer type question. But if it is short answer type question, you need not mention. You are not supposed to go beyond the word limit. Word limit is also very important. You are supposed to adhere to the word limit. Okay. So it's all about dear students, today's class. We will continue. One more question is left in sample paper 5. We will continue with that in the next video, and then we will start practicing. It is sample paper 4. Sorry, it is 5. Yes. Then we start the practice of sample question paper. Next, sample paper 6. Okay. So this way we are, what I have planned. I have planned to practice the literature part first. Then we will be practicing writing part. After that, grammatical part. Okay. So each and everything will be discussed. What you have to do, whatever we are practicing, you need to focus on that thing only. Okay. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.